Back at it again with another video. Kang's Kickx. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Back at it again with another video. So, what's up, y'all? Been a minute. You feel me? It's been a good minute. So look, today we unboxing the Retro 4 Black Cats. Alright? I see Nike did something different with the box. I really like this right here. It's been a minute for me. I don't know about y'all, but I just ordered like some tins not that long ago, and they didn't come in a box like this. So this is hard right here. I think this is clean. I think this is real hard. So let's get into this, man. Let me see. Crack these things open. Just like that. Man, already. See what this thing is looking like. Ooh, hey, the box is hard though. The box is clean. I'm feeling the box. Man. I know a lot of y'all was disappointed too with everything. Ooh, air pocket on it too. Already, man, just from the box, like. Oh, these is, woo, oh yeah, that new shoe smell. Oh, look at it, man. Hey, I'm not finna lie though, these is hard. If I hadn't planned on like dumping these, if I had bought these to wear, these is hard. I want some in my size now. I got size 10 right here, but I want some in my size, man. These is dope. I don't know what's up with the resale on them. I'm kind of disappointed about that a little bit, but I mean, dope though. Dope shoe. A real dope shoe, man. Can y'all see that? Get a good look at that. Yeah. And they clean. They hard. Okay. I don't know why the resale so low on them. I guess they just made a lot of pairs. But they are hard though. I mean, these ain't even been retro since like what, 2006? They spiffy, bro. They spiffy. They hard, I'm not gonna lie. In hands, they're a lot better. Physically, if you got them in your hands, they're a lot better. As always, I want to thank y'all for y'all continued support. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. See y'all next video. I'm out.